What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Clara and I hope you are all doing great. Today I'm going to make something new. I'm going to make 3 cocktails. 2 of them are alcoholic and 1 is non-alcoholic. And I know I post these videos on Thursday, but today is actually Friday and it's the time to party begin. And you have maybe some idea what to make tomorrow. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the thumbs up. And anyway, there is one more thing which I want to mention, because these drinks are gonna be a little bit different. I am going to make them from my favorite ginger shots from Closter Kitchen. There are some recipes on their website. I can link that below, so I'm gonna be inspired by that. I also made the videos about these great healthy ginger shots and Closter Kitchen. I will also link that below, so you can check this out. And I just ordered my another load from them and it came yesterday. I want to show you that real quick. So I ordered 7 times ginger shots from the new summer edition. So this is the ginger pineapple. Then I got here 3 big bottles of ginger raspberries. This was actually my first drink from Closter Kitchen ever. And then I got this medium package. There are 3 big bottles, one of classic shot, that is ginger. Then there is the turmeric one and the pomegranate. So guys, not forget that I have €10 voucher code for you. This code is available just from 25th July till 7th August 2022. So this code is for new customers and there is no minimum order value. I will link this in the description. And let's make the cocktails finally. First cocktail which I'm going to make, it's gonna be the Moscow Mule, or maybe better say Ginger Mule, because we are using the shots from Closter Kitchen and it's the classic ginger shot. We are also gonna need gin, ginger ale and tonic water, and cucumber and mint for the decoration and the taste at the end. And let's get right to the second cocktails, guys. This one is going to be spicy coconut and we are going to need lime juice, Malibu, lemonade, also ginger shot classic and orange for the decoration. The third last cocktail is going to be non-alcoholic refreshment and I'm going to use pomegranate syrup, orange juice, turmeric ginger shot, and at the end I'm going to also fresh it up a little bit with the tonic water, and we are going to need orange and lime for decoration. Let's try them actually. Oh, this is heavy. So let's try the first one. That was the one with gin. Yeah, this is like a Moscow Mule. So we have there lots of ginger, so it's a ginger mule. Tricky alcohol free. Okay. So the second one was with Malibu, and that was this one. It's also good. They are both fresh. I like that. And the third one was non-alcoholic. There was lots of syrup. It's gonna be sweet and lots of lime also actually. Okay. So this one surprised me because of the turmeric shot. I don't really like turmeric. I just can get the taste. I'm not sure why, but in this drink, in this cocktail, it's great. It's good. They're all yummy, guys. You have to try them, I'm telling you. So guys, that's it. I hope you like this video. These cocktails were amazing. I love them all. You can always adjust everything what you have home or not. So you can go with the flow a little bit like me. And hit the thumbs up, comment below which cocktail is your favorite and if you tried them. I'm gonna thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.